guys, so let's jump right in. You're gonna need the X-Pressions 100% Kanekalon hairpiece, and then I found this really cool like gift wrapping that I thought would look really cute in the hair. And then this is just a hair tie made out of elastic band. Right now I'm just gonna open the packet just to show you the quantity of the hairpiece and how long it is. We want it to be extremely long, so I'm not going to cut it in half. I'm doing a little dance. Okay guys, I'm gonna then open the hair, shake it, and then I am going to proceed to add the elastic band to it, the one that I made out of elastic, the hair tie that I made out of the elastic band. And this does come with an elastic itself, but you guys, elastic does tug and pull at your hair, and my hair is relaxed and a lot more fragile and thin. So you just wrap it, basically you put the hair on top of it, and then you kind of like put the one piece under the other, and then you really tug and pull. That piece is what you're going to use basically to tie the hairpiece to your hair. The one packet of this hairpiece cost me about $70, and then this I went to the crazy store because I knew I would find something interesting to put in the hair, and this gift wrapping string cost me about $25. As you can see, it has different colors, so you can really play with it. You can put two colors at once if you want, but I specifically just wanted the one white, which has like gold kind of detail in it, right? And I'm just putting it against the hair and measuring how much I'm going to need for the whole length of the hair, and then you're going to cut off the excess that you do not need. As you can see guys, this hairpiece is extremely long. I actually used the elastic band that I attached at the top to actually connect it, or like to fasten it to my cupboard in the kitchen. And then now I'm braiding and making sure that the white wrapping string is coming out in the front so that it can be seen. This is how it's supposed to look, guys. Okay, try your best to get the white to show in the front. And here my hair is extremely dry. I'm just gonna moisturize it with Dark and Lovely leave-in moisturizing butter, and then I'm going to go in with my Marc Anthony argan oil spray, and we're going to blow dry the hair, which was not necessary. You guys are gonna see further on down in the video. So now that we're done blow drying, I thought to myself, to get it to lie flatter, I'm first going to tackle the middle part with some Baobab hairstyling hair gel. So I'm going to tie that middle part first, and then proceed to tie the outside after, just trying to make sure that it's lying completely flat. But to be honest guys, it's better with wet hair. So guys, I know I blow dried my hair. I actually realized that I needed to be damp in order for it to lay down. Baby. This next part guys, I'm just raking the hair in the direction that I want it to lay in and slathering on that gel. Okay, use as much as you need it. I don't really like a strong cast like hold because I don't keep my styles in for too long, and also you don't need that much because when you tie the hair it's going to mold in the direction that you want it to go in. So you just put gel in, and then I'm going in with my fine tooth comb and now with my brush to make sure that it's lying as flat as possible. And then we're going to tie the hair and handle any sideburns or baby hairs in the front with my toothbrush. This was really hard to do. It was really hard to do. I've already laid my baby hairs and kind of like my sideburns off camera, but I forgot that I wasn't filming, so oh, the struggle to look good. My name is Mommy Agnes. My name is Mommy Agnes. What's your name?
My name is Kate.
What's your name, Kaden? Who's your mom? Who's your mom?
Here.
Just make sure you tie it in the front. If you tie it here, then your hair's gonna have lines.
Okay.
Did that once. Are you learning as well, Kaden? Welcome to Mommy's YouTube channel. Oh gosh, Lord have mercy. I'll be back in 30 minutes, y'all. I'm tired. I'm just gonna put another scarf at the back here so that it's also like, you know what I mean, like in there, so that it also lays flat. Guys, if you see a freaking booty on the screen, it's my son's. I'm trying to cover it, but as you can see, guys, the hair is laying pretty flat now, and we're gonna use that elastic, right, to attach the hair to our own hair. Now, I did go off camera, and if you guys saw, there was some leave out here. I braided it into a smaller plait, and now I'm going around making sure to conceal my own hair underneath. Can you guys see that? That's perfect. And make sure you are pulling it taut. Don't be scared because it's not attached to our own hair. It is not going to pull on our hair, causing any type of tension. All right, and then once done, you just play around with it. Okay, to the one side it's going to be a little floppy. Okay, so when you pull it, put the hair on the other side of your hair, as you can see in a bit. There you go. It is going to anchor the hair in that high position that we wanted. And this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe this video, and click on the notification bell so you're notified when I post another video. Bye.